What is up, guys? It's me, Colton, again, back with another video. Now today, we went to GameStop and we got 4 Venomized mystery minis, and we also got the box too, which I'm really happy about. So I'm going to be opening up 4 Venomized mystery minis for you guys. Hopefully we get 1 out of 72. Maybe if you like the video, it will give us some good luck, so please like that video. And which one are we starting with? I think I'm gonna go with this one. But first, I gotta show you what there are. So the Venomized Captain America is 1 out of 6. The Thanos is 1 out of 6. Spider-Man is 1 out of 12. Miles Morales is 1 out of 24. Black Panther's 1 out of 24. What's that, the X-Men girl's name or whatever? Her. She's 1 out of 72. Loki's 1 out of 36. Groot's 1 out of 24. Deadpool's 1 out of 12. The glow-in-the-dark Iron Man's 1 out of 12. The glow-in-the-dark Hulk's 1 out of 12. And the Rocket Raccoon's 1 out of 12. So, I'm going to open up the first one for you guys. I'm really excited. I'm going to open it up. It's very light, so it might be Miles Morales or Captain America. I guess we'll see. I'm feeling it. I think it's Captain America. No, it isn't. It doesn't have a shield, so it's definitely not Captain America. Wait. Oh, it's Miles Morales. That is an awesome figure. Great start, because it is 1 out of 24. That is really good. I'm going to put that back in there. Well, I'm just going to... Oh, it's $13 on, like, the Funko app. Look at this, guys. $13. That's pretty good. Great start, great start. Thank goodness it wasn't a 1 out of 6 or a 1 out of 12. That's a pretty cool figure. Really good start. The next one I'm opening up is this one. Hopefully you do the same. Good luck. Oh, dang it. The wrap fell. There we go. And here we go. Opening up the second one. This is Thanos. It's really big, and Thanos is the biggest one on here. So I think it's Thanos. Yeah, I was right. Oh, wow. That is an awesome figure, actually. Here he is. So cool. That is a really cool figure. Here it is. Look how cool that is. That's pretty cool. It's $3. But still really cool figure. I'm not complaining. It's really good. Next one, I think I'm gonna open up this one. Oh wow, that was a tough wrap. What the heck? Honestly, the ones I really want would have to be Deadpool and Black Panther, and we only have 2 left. So hopefully, I hope you guys like the video for me, because hopefully we get some good luck. Okay, it's not Thanos. I think it's Miles again. Might be, I think it's actually Spider-Man, actually. Ooh, Rocket Raccoon. Wow. That is an awesome figure. It's $18. Bro, it's literally $18, and it's 1 out of 12.
It's an exclusive to GameStop.
It is an exclusive to GameStop, so maybe that's why it's so expensive. Oh, my. Well, the wrapping just fell down, but we only have 1 left, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, because if we get the 1 out of 72, that would be incredible. Okay, I'm going to open it up. What? What the heck? I was going to say I couldn't even open that. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, why is this so hard to open? It feels... Okay, it's definitely not 1 out of 72. The head's like bald, so I think it might be Deadpool. That's one I really want. Twice the soul. There we go. It's a Thanos, I think. Yeah. We got a Thanos. But still, we did pretty good. We got a Venomized Miles Morales, a Venomized Rocket Raccoon, and 2 Venomized Thanoses. Not horrible. I'm not complaining. We did really good, though. I do really like this Rocket and this Miles. They did so good on the figures for this. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.